Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox not seeing voice chat without an ID. So as you know, Roblox has a voice chat feature, but you need to verify your age with an ID, right? Now, if you don't have an ID yet, you can get a voice chat, but first off, your account needs to be in age of 13 plus, right? So if you already have an account and you've already put it in your birthday and you're not 13 yet, you cannot change your birthday and don't try to. Just wait until your 13th birthday and then you can continue on with the rest of the steps. If your account is 13 plus and you're lucky enough to be selected as a beta tester, you can try to get a voice chat. But first off, you will have to verify your email and your phone number. The way you do that is you go to the settings here and then you go to settings again. And on settings, you can see there's an option to add phone and add email. Although, if you've already verified both of these and you still don't have voice chat, again, this is only for beta tester and for only account that's 13 plus and also have their phone number and email address verified. So it's not guaranteed. But if you're in the settings, just click on add phone here and then add email here to enter in your email and also your phone so that you can get the verification message and get your account verified and then get the chance to get voice chat without without ID. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.